Isa
Oh,
there.
hello again.
What are you doing here, Isa?
You still remember the previous video about the wildflower, right?
Yeah.
You know what? I have already asked my grandmother about it.
Oh. Oh, about the long life.
The long leafy thing.
Oh, yeah.
And she already explained to me that this one is the right flower here.
Oh, yeah?
Yesterday we found 4 kind of flower, right?
Yeah.
4 of that kind can be boiled.
Oh.
But the most flower that have a healthy benefit, the most of it,
Yeah.
is this one.
Oh, this one?
This one. The purple one.
The purple one? Oh, this one?
That we have a job yesterday.
Oh.
And you know what?
What can we do with that plant?
We can boil it to be a tea.
Tea?
Yeah. And she also explained like it's native to America.
America?
Yeah. For example, for more detail,
Mhm.
it's from North America.
From North America? Oh my gosh.
And native people there use this tea for curing a fever,
Fever?
stomach aches,
Stomach ache?
and even a diabetes.
Diabetes? Oh, how important is it?
It's important. And you know what, guys? It's sadly that the plant that have a lot of medical benefit in it
Mm-hmm.
doesn't even have any recognition here.
Oh my gosh.
The name of it is blue mist flower.
Blue mist flower?
How cool that name is. But the color is purple, so it's quite funny, you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We need not a lot of it.
Mm-hmm.
We want to boil it
Oh.
because I have already found the data yesterday.
Yeah.
I asked about my grandmother about it,
Mm-hmm.
and she explained everything to me.
Yeah.
And I will explain more of it up there.
Oh yeah.
I have already prepared the water, guys.
Oh,
So-
you have boiled water
That's right.
to make a tea
That's right.
from the blue mist tree? What is it?
Blue mist.
Blue mist.
No, blue
Oh
mist,
my
but
god.
blue mist flower.
Blue
Careful
mist
there.
flower. All right.
And you know what? It makes me really enthusiastic because I want to have a long life, you know.
Oh, the function is to make our life long life.
Longer and more healthier.
Oh my gosh. I don't believe that.
How miserable that many person will never realize that this flower, this wildflower,
Yeah.
have a lot of medical benefit in it.
Okay.
And it used
This one is very good.
It's a heaven of bloomish flower, I guess.
Yeah.
We
Oh
need
my god. We found it here.
found it here, and you know what? It grows widely everywhere.
Oh yeah. Oh
Mostly
my
people
gosh.
in US use it as a decorative flower,
Mm-hmm.
but here it just grows widely, guys.
Yeah.
Widely.
And we can drink it, right?
Yeah, we can drink it.
To make.
But there's one exception to drink it, and
Yeah.
I will tell you something
Okay.
about that exception. But look
What
at
is
guys,
that?
we got many heaven here. It's like a heaven
Oh,
of
yeah.
bloomish flower.
Oh yeah.
You
Oh,
need the top of it,
cup of it.
just the.
I want to
flower.
try it. You know.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, I will
Because-
try it first, and after that you will try it, right?
All right.
Come here.
I'm curious. What is the effect of my body?
There must be a lot of medical benefit because my grandmother
Yeah.
also already lived 103 years.
103 years
Yep.
old.
That's right.
Your grandmother
That's right.
by consuming that drink.
Yeah. Mainly she consuming this drink, and she's still healthy, you know. She can run faster than me.
My God.
If you didn't believe it, look at this photo here.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's my grandma.
Oh, your grandma. Oh my gosh.
Many of it here. I think it's enough now.
I think everybody wants to be a long life, you know.
I think so, but it's already enough. It's not that much.
Okay, let's
So we
see.
boil it.
Here.
Just a palm of my hand.
Oh,
It's enough. Come
Yeah.
on. Come on here. I already prepared the water there.
okay then.
And it's also the crafting section of our plants here.
Oh yeah. Oh, you have created.
Yeah, I have crafting it.
Oh
and
my gosh, it's
the
many
next video-
crafting. Yeah.
in the next video, I will show you how to crafting it.
Oh my gosh.
I think I have already become a crafting master. You know?
Oh, I want to learn about that.
Everybody wants to learn about it, right?
Yeah.
Look at it. There's many bloomies here.
Oh yeah.
I think this one is the last one.
Okay then. Let's try it.
And here. Be careful, it's a little slippery.
Okay.
It's a little gloomy here.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
This flower is mainly used as a traditional medicine by a Native American person, you know,
Oh.
or Indian people.
So why your grandmother know about that?
I think she is a forager before.
Oh, forager.
You love to forage everything.
Oh my God. So you are the grandson of forager?
Yeah, I'm the grandson of forager.
Oh my gosh.
Nobody ever know about forager before,
Yeah.
right? Forager is the person that always seek the nature one about
Oh, the
researching
benefit.
researching everything in the nature, like the mushroom,
Oh,
the flower.
yeah.
It's showing that it's edible or no.
Oh.
In this flower, it's not edible, guys. It's not edible.
Oh.
We boil to get the infuse from it.
Oh.
Because if we eat it,
Yeah.
this one the exception that my grandmother tell, guys.
Yeah.
You will have a diarrhea for 1 week.
Oh my God. I don't want that.
That's why
Happened
we
to
need
me.
to strain it first. We just
Oh.
need the infused water from here.
Oh yeah, yeah. But I'm curious. I want to try it. Oh my
Not
God.
edible, guys. So don't try to pick it and eat it straightforward.
Oh yeah.
Boil it first, and after that you need to strain. Just drink the water.
Drink the water. Okay then.
The water can be a medicine, but the flower, if you eat it straightforward,
Oh,
you
can
will
make
take
diarrhea, right?
diarrhea for 1 week.
Oh my God. Whoa, it's pain, you know.
It's already boiled now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's our shelter here, guys.
Your shelter here. Oh my gosh. Nice shelter.
So it's preventing us when it's raining.
Oh yeah. Oh.
It's already, wow, it's already hot enough.
It's hot enough.
Yeah. So now we just
Oh
need
yeah.
to put it here.
Put it here.
Yeah. Throw it here.
Okay.
This one.
Like that.
Yep.
All right.
So we need to wait until it's getting boiled and it's all of the chemicals in here is getting infused with the water, and after that we're gonna strain it with this strainer, guys.
It's standard.
Yeah.
Oh,
My grandmother tell this. It's only for this plant.
Oh, just only for this bloomish flower.
Bloomish flower, yeah.
Oh yeah.
So we'll wait here.
Maybe
And
you can make the fire more higher.
more higher,
Yeah.
maybe we can try to blow it, right?
Yeah.
Like a blowing in the wind.
Wind.
That's the song of Pop Thailand there.
Yeah. Or dust in the wind.
Yeah. Because in the wind is Kansas.
Yeah. You know that too, guys.
I know
Oh
it.
my God. That's an old song, you know.
That's really old song.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
It's great, guys.
it's the power of nature.
Oh my gosh. What will happen to this bloomish?
That song is called Wind of Change, guys. But in the Kansas version of it.
Mhm.
Not the Scorpion.
Oh.
Because if it's Scorpion, it's different.
Oh yeah.
It's different. It's different song. But the title of it is almost the same.
Oh.
Take me to the magic of the moment.
Oh, that's Scorpion, you know.
Yeah, that's the Scorpion song.
Wind of change. Oh my gosh. It's already boiled.
Yeah, it's already boiled now. So we use a firewood here, guys.
Yeah. So it's more natural, right?
That's right.
And the taste is, of course, more natural, I think.
More natural, I guess.
Yeah. Look at that.
We get a lot of. Wait, guys, the water is turning the colors, you know.
Yeah. Actually, I'm so curious. I want to
Taste it.
because
For that, I'll taste it first
yeah,
because I want to prevent somebody for get a diarrhea, you know.
yeah.
I'll try it first. It's not that long, I guess.
Yeah.
Maybe I will take my knife to.
To stir it up.
I don't need just use my strainer because
Yeah.
look at it. It can be a whisker, you know.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Oh,
And the water smells pretty natural.
what about the taste? You ever tasted before?
I have ever tasted before. It tastes pretty bitter.
Bitter?
Yeah,
Oh
bitter.
my gosh. So. Oh no.
And you know what? We didn't bring any sugar here.
Oh,
So
maybe we can drink molasses after that
hell no.
because it's so bitter, you know.
It's not that bitter, you know.
Okay.
But in the next video, I want
Yeah.
to show you the most bitter drink ever.
Yeah.
But you know what? It can cure up diabetes.
Mhm.
But it's really bitter.
Yeah.
but it's natural. I think it's already set, guys.
Yeah.
Because look at it, the color's turning into yellowish now.
Okay then.
Look at it.
Oh yeah, it's turning now.
Yeah.
All right.
It's turning more yellowish, and
Yeah.
oh my god, my eyes.
Oh.
Because of
Oh, it's natural drink. It's a herb, you know.
it's a herb, but herbs with some challenge in it to make it. Because if you eat one of this flower, you will have a diarrhea.
Oh, so we must be careful, right?
That's right.
Oh.
It's already hot enough.
Okay.
And you know what, guys? I have already prepared 2 glass.
Yeah.
The first one is for me.
Yeah.
The second one is for you.
Oh, thank you.
Because you said you want to try it, right?
Yeah, I want to long life, you know.
Long live it.
Long live, yeah. And like your grandma.
Yeah,
Oh my god. It's turning. It's rather greenish, right?
Yeah, greenish yellow.
Greenish yellow. All right. Oh. It's better we drink it hot or with.
It all depends on you. If you love when it's really cold here,
Yeah.
you can drink it when it's still hot.
Yeah.
But if you can handle the hot temperature,
Yeah.
just wait until it's cold. So
Oh.
there's no exception for that.
Yeah.
Well, look at it. The water color is different, right?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Let me check.
It's more greenish now.
Oh, this is
yellow.
Bloomy's water.
Yeah, Bloomy's flowers water.
Flowers water.
It's infused from it.
Infused. All right.
And the smell, oh my god. It's like, you know, you have ever know about matcha?
Matcha. Yeah, I know.
Not just matcha, wait. I remember what one drink that almost the same like this.
Yeah. Oh,
Have you ever tasted what the rose?
the rose. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So the taste, not the taste, but the smell is almost like rose stuff.
Oh, yeah. Because it's from flowers.
Yeah,
you
it's
know?
from flowers, and look at it. I will try it, guys. And also it's raining here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God, it's raining, guys.
Yeah, it's raining.
Oh, but it's beautiful if it's raining here.
It's really beautiful. And after that, I will take it, guys.
Okay. So drink a hot tea,
A hot Bloomy's tea.
Bloomy's tea. Oh,
Oh my god, it's still pretty hot.
Oh, it's very hot there.
Oh. You know what, guys? The taste of it is really aromatic, and it's not bitter at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's almost the same like vegetables and normal leaf, you know. Oh my.
Oh, look at it, guys.
It's still really hot, and
Yeah.
the fog is coming out on my face,
Yeah.
so it makes my eyes tearing some tears here.
Okay, then.
After all, this drink give a lot of my thumbs here. And surprisingly, I didn't get any stomachache, right?
Yeah.
So after that, maybe it's for me.
Yeah.
You want it cold or still hot?
I want to cool.
Just wait until it's cold, and I will strain off this water, guys.
Yeah. Oh my God. That's it. That's the secret of long live.
Yeah, long live it.
Oh,
My grandma.
from grandmother's recipe.
Yeah, that's right.
All right.
And after, in the next video, guys, I will show you the most bizarre thing of
Oh, yeah.
bizarre tea.
Okay.
Because in a split second, it turns the water into purple, you know.
Yeah.
It's already cold enough.
Oh.
If you want to try it, if you didn't believe in me,
Okay. Then.
it's not bitter at all, and the taste of it is really aromatic.
You check.
Careful there.
Oh, fresh.
It's fresh, right?
My God.
It's almost the same like regular water.
Yeah.
But they have some aromatic side in it, right? And what's your regret about it? It's still safe, right?
Yeah, it's safe, I think. Okay.
Watch it. What do you think about the taste?
The taste, oh, it's nice. It's like, what is it? I can explain it.
Yeah. We can explain it, but I think we have ever tasted before, right?
Yeah.
It's like a clover, if you know it.
Yeah.
Like a clover leaf. Okay, guys. After this, I will enjoy this training with drinking all of this water.
Yeah.
So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and
Yeah.
see in the next video because I want to show you the most dessert plan that we can boil in the next video. See you.